Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to write as a single fraction in its simplest form for this particular algebraic expression. Well, if there is a numerator or denominator that we could factorize, we will factorize it first. That is always the first step, so I think this can be factorized. Okay, so I'm going to make use of my cross chart to factorize that first. X times x will give me x squared. As for my negative 6, my 6, 1 times 6, 2 times 3. I do need to choose the pair of factors that will enable me to get a positive one. Yes. Why is this so? Because if I have a negative 2, 3 times negative 2 will give me negative 6. And when I times them out like this, x times 3 is 3x. Well, 3x plus negative 2 does give me back my positive 3. So I will be able to get my factorized form here. So this will be the first step where I will have x minus 2 plus x minus 3 over x and positive 3, x and negative 2. Step 2 is to combine into a single fraction, and we can only do that when the denominator is the wonderful, my viewers, the same. So I see that there's already x minus 2 that is the same. So all we have to do is to multiply by x plus 3, x plus 3, so that the denominator will be x minus 2 and x plus 3. Okay, and on top, the numerator, 1 times x plus 3 will give me back my x plus 3 plus x minus 3 is the same as plus x minus 3. So final answer, yep, still have my x minus 2 and x plus 3 below. The numerator, x plus x will give me 2x. 3 minus 3 will be equals to 0. And therefore, this will be the final answer for this question. Well, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.